इसमें बढ़-चढ़ कर हिस्सा लें और इसे सफल बनाएं। ये हमारे देश के हित में है, जरूरी है, और आपके हित में और आपके लिए भी बहुत जरूरी है।
It is the first time in human history that we are beginning to identify, count, enumerate, record, and eventually issue an identity card to 120 crore people. An exercise of this kind has not been attempted anywhere else in the world.
Once the national population register the database is completed, we would then be issuing the unique identity number to each one of the usual residents.